So hi everybody, today we're taking a look at the Arzopa 16.1 portable gaming monitor. We'll go ahead, open up the box, see what's inside, then we'll set it up so you can see what it looks like. So stay tuned, it's time for streaming. So hi everybody, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, please go ahead, click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. This way you know when I go ahead and I put up some more videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So today we're taking a look at the Arzopa 16.1 portable gaming monitor. Let's go ahead now, open up the box and see what's inside. So once we open up the box, we have another cover with a circle in the middle. Let's go ahead and take that out and let's see what's inside. So once we take the item out of that cover, we do see that Arzopa sends you a nice carrying case. This way you can keep that portable monitor protected no matter where you go with the portable monitor. Right underneath that case, here you have the Arzopa 16.1 portable monitor itself, nicely secured inside the box, and it is wrapped up to protect the screen. Once we take the portable monitor out of the box, we have a whole bunch of cables. We have from left to right, you do have a USB-C to USB-C. In the middle, the same cable, USB-C to USB-C, and on the right you have HDMI to micro HDMI cable. You also have your portable monitor user manual so you can see how to set it up, and we have a warranty card. Please make sure you go ahead and use the warranty card when you do receive your monitor. So I just wanted to show you how your portable monitor will fit inside the case that Arzopa does send you. And of course it has a Velcro on it. You just flip it over, it will stay closed, and of course, it does have the nice Arzopa label right here on the bottom. Taking a closer look at the Arzopa 16.1 portable gaming monitor, it has 144 Hz, PS ultra-wide viewing angle, HDR technology, 1080p FHD, it is ultra lightweight, has Type-C connection, has an HDMI connection, and is very ultra portable. Taking a look at one of the sides of the Arzopa monitor, you do have your power back key, you have an OSD key, you have Type-C, two of them, two Type-C USB connections, and a mini HDMI. You do have brightness and volume control, and also you do have volume up and volume down. And right in the center, there is a speaker. Same thing on the other side, there is another speaker for stereo sound. On the bottom of the Arzopa 16.1 portable gaming monitor, there are two little black tabs. This way the monitor will not slide. Also, right here, this is a kickstand. So you can open it up, and that way when you do set it up, it will be at an angle that you would like. So here's the Arzopa 16.1 portable gaming monitor. It's all set up. It has the kickstand now, so this way I'm ready to go and hook up my laptop, my iPhone. You can hook up a PS5, anything that you want, you can hook up to this portable monitor. So I have my laptop on the right-hand side and the Arzopa 16.1 gaming monitor on the left. I'm playing a game, and you can see that I'm using the external monitor also. So this way, if I want, I can bring up two screens. But right now, I'm just showing you what it looks like when it's duplicated, and the picture quality is excellent. I'd like to thank Arzopa for sending me this portable monitor. There will be a link in my description down below, so this way you could go ahead and purchase one of these great monitors. Thank you for watching, and remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.